Okay, so we remove the gallery if we don't want it in the Iris Gallery area, and we close up the gap here so that it all won't put a space in there, and we save that. And gallery will then go back and not have the other gallery in there. Because this has settings which have modules down the side here, it's best to copy this gallery. So you just save it as a copy. And you can see that it's put the little 2 there, and we could just change it to whatever name we selected that we like, and we remove the alias and it will rename it. I've just forgotten what I called it because the video went dead. So I'll just close this one off. I think I put it new releases. So this one here, we can trash that. Don't do this for real. It's only because the video stopped that I've got to do this. So Iris Gallery, made a copy. The copy originally would have had Iris Gallery 2. I've taken the Iris Gallery 2 name out and I've named it New Releases. I've removed the alias, which would have been Iris Gallery 2, and saved it as this New Releases article. Then what we need to do is change the source code. This would have said 1, which was the old Iris Gallery. We need to change it to 4, which is the new release gallery that we created earlier. So once we've done that, we just save and close it. Just make sure that it's published, which it is. So the 3 steps are create the gallery, which we've done, create the article, which we just did. Now we need to create the menu item so that people can see it. So for that, we go to the main menu. If you look at our menu along here, we're not going to be able to fit in new release. It'll put the menu out of sync and it won't fit properly. So what we need to do is create one of these drop downs for it. And then, so when someone goes to photo gallery, and it's already there because I did this earlier and the video stopped, it will come down like that. So that's what we're going to do now. So over in our main menu, we select the photo gallery. And we save as a copy because we want to copy out the code that it's using. So we save it as a copy and it will call it Photo Gallery 2. I won't do it because I already did it. Wipe out Photo Gallery 2 and call it whatever name you like. I called it New Releases. Take out your alias and leave it. It will automatically put the name in as when you save it. And then you just need to save that. Now, because I've already done it earlier video, it'll be here. So what you'll end up with is a new article called New Releases, if that's what you called it. So, and now what we need to do is select the article that we created earlier. So we just select it, and there's our New Releases. It'll pop it in. You can see that it's named it up here. And now what we want to do is change this to say that it's going to be a subcategory of photo gallery. All right, so we want it to appear under photo gallery. So we say that the main category will be, the parent category will be photo gallery, and this will be underneath. The ordering just means that it will list it in order from, you know, if you had more than one gallery, you could put 2017, 2016, whatever it is, the galleries, you could just stack them in order. And the order just means that when you go on this, that would be first, but if you had other ones, they would just list it in the order that you've told it to put it in. So anyway, once all that's done, we just save that, make sure that it worked, which you did already because, as I said, this is a repeat. We refresh so we can see the menu item. Go to there, go to New Releases, click, and now that will show us the gallery, that the New Release gallery. But I mean, it could be called anything that you like. Okay, and that's basically all you do it. If you notice that the gallery didn't put any modules in, we're getting a little bit more technical now. You go back to the photo gallery that had the modules, these ones. So we've got a special blend fertilizer module there. Over here, you'll see module assignment. And that position, everything's on a position. This is getting a little bit technical, but that would be probably in a right position because it appears on the right of the page. So if I was to scroll down here and look for something on the right, some of these ones here, so you've got inner right, yeah. Then we've got left, promo right. Now we're getting into our right. All right, so we go down and we're looking for one that talks about the special blend fertilizer, which is there. So this here is that module. So it doesn't appear on our new release one. So what we need to do is click it and then tell it, go to the menu, and it says, okay, where do you want me to appear? What menu items? And let's say we want it on the new release one as well. We save that. It's a bit slow. Then we go back to our new releases, and that special blend fertilizer is now there. Do you see that? That's called a module. Now we go back to photo gallery again. A little bit of muck around, but once you do it once, and we've got this QR code module here, just to make it look the same. So it's in the position right again, because it's on the right of the page. So we go down. I think you can actually, hang on a minute. Let me just see. I think you can search for it. Oh no, on the newer ones you can actually search for it. But anyway, you go down, and here's all our rights, and now we're looking for the QR code one. And there's QR code. So we click it, it'll open. We go to menu assignment, and we just select that we want it to appear on the new release menu item. So we save and close that, and we save that. And originally, whoops, when we went to new releases, there was only the one module, and now we have the two modules. And that's how that part works. That's assigning a module to a menu item. Because it's saved and we've finished it, we can just close that up now, and basically that's how you do it. So go to your content, media, create your new folder, right? Then upload your images to your new folder, and the images you could have just called this very fulfilling, and the name would have been without the gal on the end. So it would just said very fulfilling, which is probably the way you want it. Please make sure that you put the little dash in between. So you've uploaded your photos to the folder. You go to widget kit. This is just a quick overview. You copy out one of these galleries or whatever, and to create a new one, give it a new name, tell it what folder that you just created, and then create your article, and then your menu item, and you've done. And that's all there is to it. Thanks very much. Bye.